Hi team. Today we are going to continue about the CIS Data Foundation exam series questions and answers. In generally, CIS Data Foundation certification is mandatory for all relevant certifications relevant to the CMDB and ITOM certifications. So it's mandatory from December 2026. So if this certification is not available or not approved, other certifications will be inactive. This exam has the total 75 questions. It has multiple choices and match the following and fill the blanks like questions. And it has 1.5 hour, 90 minutes duration time is there. We should have pass percentage of more than 75%. So let's start the questions. The question is, what is the value of using the CMDB in security operations? And choose two options here. The option is option A, allow security team access and remediate an incident. Option B, enables audits and attestations across CA. Option C, auto resolves a vulnerability. And option D is the identifies the IT infrastructure with a vulnerability. So the correct answer is option B and option D. Here, enables audit and attestation across. Sorry, option A and option D. Allows security team to access and remediate an incident. And option D, identifies the IT infrastructure with a vulnerability. Here, why option A and D is correct? Because here option A is the allows security team to access and remediate an incident. So it means when attack happens, security team must know which server affected, which app affected, who owns it, what depends on it. So CMDB gives this information. So team can fix faster. And here, why option D also it's correct? Because it will identify the IT infrastructure with vulnerability. I mean, if scammer says vulnerability is found, CMDB tells which server has issued, which application uses it, priority of system. So it's a very useful for the security. And why option B and option C are incorrect? Here, option B is so it will enables audits and attestations across CIS. It means this is more useful for the compliance, governance, and checking records. So not the main value for security operations. Here option C is the wrong way. So auto resolves a vulnerability. It means CMDB only stores the information. It does not automatically patch or fix the vulnerabilities. So option A and option D is the correct answer. Next question. A CMDB admin needs to set a CA class as a principal class. Which CA class manager tab would need to be accessed? Here option A, health to the attributes. Option B, class information, basic information. And option C, class information to the attributes. So the correct answer is option B, class information to the basic information. Why it's correct? Because principal class is a core class setting. So core setting are the class information to the basic information. So here correct answer is option B, class information to the basic information. Next question. Which configuration allows a lower priority data to source to update records after inactivity of a higher priority source? The option is option A, data refresh rules, option B, health inclusion rules, option C, identification rules, and option D, reconciliation rules. So the correct answer is option A, data refresh rules. So it means, simply we can say, if top source stops sending data for many days, it will allow second source to update. So that is a data refresh rule. Then why other options are wrong? Here, health inclusion rules means it will use it for the dashboard or health scoring only. So not source for the updates. And identification rules is to use it for the match CA records. For example, is the same server or new server, not for the source inactivity. And here reconciliation rule. Why reconciliation rule is wrong here? So reconciliation rule is for the user to decide which source normally wins. But question asked as a what if winning source becomes inactive? So that is the data refresh rule, the correct answer. Which configuration allows a lower priority data source to update records after inactivity of a higher priority source? So the correct answer is option A, data refresh rule. Next question. What is the default duration of the stateless metrics in CMDB health dashboard? What is the default duration of the stateless metrics in CMDB health dashboard? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 30 days. Option C, 7 days. Option D, 60 days. So the correct answer is option B, 30 days. Here, why 24 hours is wrong? Because 24 hours is a very too short time. So many systems not updated daily. Here, why 30 days is correct answer? So if no update for 30 days, CA becomes stale. So it's a default setting. And why 7 days are wrong? So not default value. And 60 days also, it's possible custom setting, but not default. So the correct answer is 30 days. So what is the default duration of the stateless metric in CMDB health dashboard? Option B, 30 days. Next question. How do CMDB improvements enhance change management? Option A, automatically schedules and deploys changes without approval. Option B, provides insight into the potential impact of the change. Option C, ensures no downtime recording of planning. Option D, enables auto population of assignment group field. So the correct answers are the option B and option D. Provides insight into the potential impact of the change and enables auto population of assignment group field. Here, why option A is wrong? Option A is the automatically schedules and deploys changes without approval. It means changes need approvals, planning, and testing. So CMDB does not auto deploy. Why option B is correct here? It provides insight into the potential impact. It means, let's say, if server restart planned, CMDB tells what apps depend on server, which users affected. So risk can be checked. And why option C is wrong? Ensure no downtime regarding of planning. It means no tool can guarantee zero downtime. So CMDB only helps the planning. And why option D is the correct answer? Enables auto population of assignment group field. Because in simple you can say CMDB stores support team information. So correct assignment group can fill the automatically. That's all guys. See you in the next video with the CIS Data Foundations questions and answers. Thank you. Wish you all the best.